CBEX or CBEX Exchange.
There is a popular crypto trading platform that is promising to give investors 45% of whatever they invest monthly. And recently, many persons have been calling this platform a scam, and I decided to do some findings by myself to find out if this is true or false. And what I actually found out will shock you. After some background research about CBEX, I found out that there are two companies bearing the name CBEX. Now, the first one is known as China Beijing Equity Exchange. Now, this is a Chinese-based organization and it is actually a legitimate company. Now, the second CBEX actually stands for Crypto Bridge Exchange. Now, this particular one, a lot of persons have made money from it, but right now, most persons are calling it a scam. So is this platform really a scam or legit? Well, work with me as you're going to find out right now. I'm going to start this video with how do people make money on CBEX. The first way they make money is daily ROI. Now, CBEX claims to give users 1.5% daily returns on their deposit. So if you're going to multiply that by 30 days, for instance, that's about 45%. Except like you're not doing it daily, then you should probably make between 30 to 45% in a month. So imagine if you had to deposit $1,000, that means you're making about $450 extra as profit. And also, users were told that their money was being traded using an AI-powered algorithm that generated consistent profits from the crypto market. I'm going to talk about this very well when I get to the red flags, but let's go over to the second way people make money on CBEX, and that is by crypto trading and AI signal. Now, users could copy trades from AI bots or expert traders, and also they can actually receive signal from the CBEX Telegram trading group, which is claimed to give people about 99.8% accurate signal. We're going to talk about this later on if this is actually true. The next method is referral bonus and affiliate program. Now, this is obviously the money you earn by inviting persons to come join you on CBEX. And then the final way is staking. Now, this is simply a method of depositing your money in their platform and locking in for probably 7 days, 14 days, 30 days or thereabouts, and you're going to receive a guaranteed profit by doing that within that period of time. When you hear some of these things I've mentioned so far, some of them actually look really nice and enticing. I mean, you can actually believe them with some of the things they are saying, but there are some specific red flags I discovered when I started doing my research about this platform, and I want to talk about that right now. Now, the first red flag I discovered was giving 1.5% profits daily on your investment. So like I told you initially, the first method people make money from CBEX is by getting 1.5% ROI. Now, if you're going to multiply that by 30 days, that's 45%, right? Which is actually fine, right? Now, where it gets interesting is, according to them, their signal is 99.8% accurate, which simply means for every 10 trades they are taking, they are winning over 9 of them. That is what this simply means. But in real sense, if you are actually a crypto trader, you should know that this is actually false. Now, most of the biggest crypto traders you know all over the world, I'm talking about experts and guys that have made huge money from cryptocurrency. You would know that cryptocurrency is not as easy as most persons paint it. Now, especially when you're trading futures, you are going to encounter a lot of losses. I can tell you for a fact that a lot of professional traders, if they take about 10 trades in a month, this is just an example. Now, out of 10 trades, the highest most persons actually win is about 7 trades out of 10 trades. In fact, most persons do not win up to 4 trades in that 10 trades. Simply means they are losing about 6 trades. The truth of the matter is, people winning 4 trades out of 10 trades are actually profiting. Like, these guys are top gurus. They are doing really well in what they're doing. Most guys don't even win up to 2 trades out of those 10 trades. And that's why there's a statistic that says 90% of traders are not actually profitable. How come if 90% of traders are not profitable, all of a sudden there's a platform that can give you a signal that is 99.8% guaranteed? That's almost 100%. Where are they getting it? If you can tell me that this is an AI powered signal stuff, AI cannot predict the market completely. AI cannot predict it completely. There are times it's going to make errors. This market is much more complex than what you think. AI can do good, but like it can actually predict this market completely, and that is why I thought that saying that the signals gotten from their platform is 99.8% accurate is a very big red flag, which you should start running away when you hear something like that. Now, the second red flag I spotted is that CBEX is actually listed under the suspicious virtual asset trading platform. Now, having your platform under this suspicion is actually a very big warning. Now, most persons are going to tell me, yes, people have made money from CBEX. Yes, you're actually right. Most of the persons that came in initially made a lot of money from CBEX, right? That is true, but that is also the same way Ponzi scheme happen. The initial people that come in make money, and then later on, when new money is not coming in again, they actually crash, and then the people that came in later on do not make money from this platform. That is how Ponzi scheme operates. And you might be telling me, yes, I want to be among the first person that I've actually entered, so I will make my money back and get some profit. Now, what if you enter and that is when they are shutting down? Sometimes people don't think about these things very well. You want to take risk where you know that there is more chances of you losing that particular money than winning it. Why are you taking such a risk? So this should actually tell you that this pyramid scheme is not sustainable and you should run away from it. I can give you examples of multiple pyramid schemes that have come and gone. MMM, ultimate circulars, and many of them that have come before, and these guys were promising you returns and all of that, but where are they today? They have actually crashed and run away. Even there were some crypto and forex trading platforms that were collecting money from people and giving them 10% ROI monthly. Most of them has crashed already. Now the next red flag is, who are the founders of CBEX? Now when I did some research, I found the name of a person, but I couldn't find a picture attached to it. Although there are some websites that actually tells you that these persons work for CBEX, but it's not really clear about who are the founders and who are the people operating CBEX. So if you can actually verify the faces of people that actually owns this huge trading platform, why are you putting your money into such a platform? The next red flag I spotted was this platform has multiple websites. If you look at my screen right now, you can see about 6 websites that is doing similar thing, and all of them are actually connected to CBEX. So why is a legitimate platform having 6 different websites? I mean, there are a lot more websites other than this, but these were like the ones I was able to find out by myself. You might want to argue with stuff like but Binance and other ones have people impersonating them. How many of those websites actually exist? At least there's a face to Binance. Where is the face to this particular platform? Well, if you want to argue more about this, my next point is going to counter your argument, and that is, this platform does not have the application on App Store or Play Store. You can only download this platform as an APK on your phone. And you know that there's a lot of risks when you install your application on your phone as an APK. There could be malwares that are connected to it that are going to install viruses into your phone, and then probably like watch your phone and take some of your credentials, your information and stuff like that. So why do they not have their platform on Play Store or App Store? This is a very big red flag for me. So these are some of the red flags I spotted, and what I'm going to advise you right now is, don't invest your money into CBEX. If you want to do, that's on you, but I would advise you not to input your money into CBEX. As a matter of fact, this morning I've seen a couple of persons posting that they are unable to get their withdrawals out of CBEX, and they've been given a few days for them to get their withdrawals. Why are you halting people's withdrawals if you're a legitimate platform? These are enough red flags for you not to put your money into CBEX. Don't tell me that a lot of persons made money from it in the past. It is not sustainable. It might end very soon, and the best thing you can do for yourself is to avoid it instead of putting your money into this platform. So guys, this is all of it about my research about CBEX. I really hope it is helpful, and if you like this video, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.